So now we're gonna talk about another way of doing tree diagrams that will also help us with a simpler problem. A spinner with 3 equal sections, red, yellow, and green, is spun twice. So you spin it once and your choices are red, yellow, and green. Now let's say in your first spin you got red. Now you'll have your second spin, which your choices are again. I'm not going to put the lines because those were a little difficult to make. So I'm going to put the 3 choices for the second spin would be red, yellow, and green. But if we got yellow in the first spin, then on my second spin, I would have 3 other choices between red, yellow, and green. And the same for if my first spin I got green, then on my second spin I would have 3 choices of red, yellow, and green. So if we count after the second spin, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total outcomes. So here I have 9 total outcomes. Using our counting rule, 3 times 3 is 9. So as we said earlier, yes, my tree and my counting principle is the same. So back to question 25, what is the probability written as a fraction that you will spin red over red? So as we said earlier, let me insert my equation here and put my fraction. And the probability to get red between the 3 choices of red, yellow, and green, we only have 1 red, and the total of choices, total of outcomes, as we said, was 9 total outcomes. So this is 1 over 9. I'm sorry, 1 over 3 because there were 3 colors on the first spin times 1 over 3 because we have another red out of 3 colors in the second spin. So 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 3 is 9, so that's 1 over 9. Now, what is the probability written as a fraction to spin a yellow and a green? So let's put our fractions, and we know the probability of getting yellow. We have 1 yellow out of 3 colors. And in the second spin, we're going to multiply it by, we have 1 green out of the 3 colors, which is 1 over 3 again. And this also comes out as 1 over 9. 1 over 9. And number 27, what is the probability written as a fraction that you will spin 2 blues? In my spinner, I only had red, yellow, and green. So will I be able to spin 2 blues? No. So as a fraction, this would be 0 blue choices over 3 other colors. Or you can also say 0 blue choices over 9 total outcomes. Both of those are correct as long as we understand that it's either 0 over 3 or 0 over 9.